Yes, it's your boy. I'm back at it again with a couple unboxing, my guys. I just started slicing some of these things open, but I ain't open what's up in these things yet, you know. We got some gifts, and let's see what we got. I'm gonna get right into this thing, you hear? Get this thing going. Nice, keep little nice little knives, you know. There we go. Little pinion gear. Little 13 tooth. 32 pitch. This here from my red cat. You know. My red cat Rampage. 1/5 scale. You know. Little big boy. I don't know if this is the right size though. Yeah, it's weird. Okay, but whatever. Gotta check that. I might have to send this back. Alright. What's this? Well, here you go, my guys. Got the diff oil, the 539 part number. Traxxas. This is the 500K. You know. This here is going to keep my red cat down. It's going to keep Spider down. That there, I believe, is the MR T8E version. You know, that's for because I'm upgrading the diff on that thing. On my other video, I showed you guys I got the diff. I'm gonna open that thing up, take that little oil whistle out there, and I'm gonna drop this up in there. Keep that thing down from popping in the air. You know. See what we got going on over here. Slice him open like so, baby. What's this right here? Okay. They be sealing this stuff, man. You know? Oh, okay. These my dog bones, guys. Call these the T-dog bones. This series is for my upgraded version, my red cat, the MRNT8E. This is right here. It's for Spider. Yeah, much thicker, bulkier. Let's open this thing up so y'all get a better look at this. Yeah, nice and beefy, guys. Nice and beefy. That's how I like it. A little thick. A little thick. A little something right there. Let's get into this. This looks like the big boy right here. Oh, here you go. Box. Oh, okay. Let's let me shorty silk this up. Okay. This one right here. What's this? That's a little shipping information. What I got here? Oh, this is that hobbywing. Yeah, the easy run, 200 amp, the max 5. See that, my guys? Let's get right up into this thing, you heard? Hobbywing, man. Oh man, this ESC is big. This thing is huge. See that, my guys? That's that 200 amp right there. This going to my my red cat, my 1/5 scale Rampage. Yes. Okay, wait. Of course, you got the manual and things like that. Hobbywing stickers. Gotta represent. Can't go wrong with stickers. Oh, okay. Got the shrink tube, zip ties, all that good stuff. Okay. That's what I like about these guys. They give me extra cords, extra wires, you know. I like that. I like that about hobbywing. You know? Let's see what we got. This thing is massive big. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Guys, this is ESC. It's crazy big. Look at that, my guys. Look at the BC caps on there. It's 3 big boys. Then you got 3 more in the inside of that. Oh man, nice and hard, solid. Oh, this is the real deal. Holyfield right here. 200 amps. Gotta put my own connectors on here. Oh, actually these are 8 gauge wires. These are 8 gauge, my guys. Alright. I'm done with this unboxing, guys. I'm about to get back to this thing. Start putting these cards together. And once I get my camera, videos be coming up soon. Update you guys on all the updates. And I will be showing what these things look like. Holla at you, jet life to the next life. 1.